In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the polling feature in your meeting. First, we'll open up our upcoming meeting by selecting it from the schedule page in the Account Center. I'll select Join Without Camera this time since I'm just setting up my content. To set up our polls, we'll first need to click on the Content Library icon from the left-hand toolbar and then select the tab for Polls. To create your first poll, click the option for Create New Poll. First, type your question into the appropriate text field here. Then, below, click the button for Add Option, which then brings up a text field where you can type your first answer option. Repeat the process for each additional response option. If you want to give the option for your audience to select more than one response, select the box for multiple answers. Once you have the question prepared, you can click Save to preserve it for later. It will remain in your content library until you manually delete it, even if you close your meeting and reopen it another day. Repeat the process and prepare as many polls as you'd like. If you're currently in a live session with attendees and want to open the poll immediately, click the Save and Open option. When you're ready to open up the polling question to your audience, simply select the question from the list and then click Open Poll. All attendees will now see the question and responses displayed. They'll make their selection by clicking the appropriate response and hitting Submit. As the preparer of the poll, only you will see the responses as they begin coming in. If you would like to share the results with everyone else, click the icon to the right of the question and select Share Results. When finished, click Close Poll. You'll see several additional options available by clicking the icon to the right of the polling question. Add to Group allows you to create a folder where you can combine your polling questions. This can be helpful to organize your polls, say by date or by meeting, if you have a lot of upcoming meetings scheduled and plan to utilize polls in each. Click Edit to change the title or answer options. Clear Results erases the current responses. This might be handy if you reuse the same poll for each meeting. You also have the option to export the results to either a text file, a PDF, or a CSV file. Please note, this only provides results for the selected poll, not all of them that you have saved. Also, if you want to export the results, be sure to do so before selecting the Clear Results option, or else you have lost the response data. Additionally, poll results can also be viewed following the meeting from the Reports tab on the Schedule page. Finally, you have the option to delete a poll that you no longer need. Thank you for taking the time today to learn all about polling in Telspan Web.